What are the pros and cons of light versus dark wood floors?
Hello, dear viewers. Today we'll be discussing a popular home decor topic, the pros and cons of light versus dark wood floors. We'll dive into the aesthetics, functionality, and overall suitability of each for your home. You'll gain a comprehensive understanding that can guide you in making your choice. Remember, the ultimate decision depends on your unique lifestyle, aesthetic preferences, and maintenance capabilities.
What are the advantages of light wood floors?
Light wood floors have a number of benefits to consider. Aesthetic appeal. Light wood can brighten up any room, creating an airy, spacious ambiance. It can make smaller spaces appear larger and is ideal for rooms with limited natural light. Versatility. The natural, neutral shades of light wood complement a wide range of interior styles, from rustic to modern minimalist. Maintenance. Light wood floors tend to show less dust, dirt, and scratches. This can make them a good choice for households with kids or pets, or in high-traffic areas.
What are the drawbacks of light wood floors?
Despite their benefits, light wood floors also have a few downsides. Stains. Lighter wood can be more prone to noticeable staining. Any spills need to be cleaned immediately to prevent permanent discoloration. Wear over time. Light woods may yellow or darken slightly over time due to exposure to sunlight and air.
What are the advantages of dark wood floors?
Moving on to dark wood floors, let's explore their pros. Luxurious and sophisticated. Dark wood floors exude a sense of luxury and sophistication. They can add depth and richness to a room, making it feel cozy and inviting. Conceal stains. Darker floors can do a better job of hiding stains, making them a viable option for dining areas or kitchens where spills might occur. Highlight light furnishings. If you have light-colored walls or furniture, a dark floor can provide a dramatic contrast that highlights these elements.
What are the drawbacks of dark wood floors?
Dark wood floors are not without their cons. Maintenance. Dark floors tend to show dust, pet hair, and scratches more readily than light ones. Regular cleaning and careful handling are required. Can make spaces feel smaller. Dark floors can absorb light, making a room appear smaller or less open than it actually is. They are usually best suited to larger rooms with ample natural light. In conclusion, both light and dark wood floors have their unique advantages and drawbacks. Your choice will depend on your aesthetic preferences, the specific rooms in question, and your willingness to maintain them. Always consider the overall theme of your home, the amount of foot traffic, pets, and the room sizes when making your decision. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this information helps you choose the perfect wood floor for your home.